Okay, so this is the LG fully automatic top loaded washing machines drain motor, which I fixed, shown in the previous video according to another good video uploaded by YouTuber. So there was, the magnet had a small gear which had to be fixed with Fevikwik. After that I did the fix and all the packing. Okay, I did the greasing, everything I did. Now I'll show you the results. Okay, so I've connected it like this. The face is in the center, the neutrals are in the side. Okay, these two are separate. Be careful while working on this. It is mains voltage. Okay, center is face, the two are neutral, and then they have to be clubbed together. So I've soldered it. You can use battery lugs if you have. Okay, so this one I will pull it out. Okay, and then I will connect this, then pull it at the same time. I'm giving the mains, so it is going in. If I pull it also, it is going in. I'll again show. I'm removing this. Okay, I am extending this. Okay, connecting the mains. Now this starts moving in. If I hold it back also, it doesn't stop, it goes in. Again I am removing. These two terminals have to be careful. Or I will connect. Okay, it is going in. When I hold it also, it moves inside. Okay, so now this fix has worked and this motor is working. So I'll provide in the link in the description how to fix this.